So now in today's video I'm going to be trying to turn this single seed potato that weighs less than 4 grams into many potatoes that hopefully will weigh in excess of 28 kilos. I'm Gang. Welcome to the channel. Gang and Peanut, 2 peas in a pod. Now this is a challenge that's been organised by Steve at Digwell Greenfingers. And it's the Single Seed Potato Challenge 2025. And Steve very kindly has sent me my potato, my single seed potato. I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and as you can see there are various chits appearing. Now the task that I have is to try and divide this potato in such a manner that I get as many pieces of potato with as many chits as possible. And I think to do that it's going to take some real surgical skills and cutting. So let's have a go at doing that. Now what I'm going to try to do is mark out this potato with lines so that I know where I'm going to cut it. That should be fairly straightforward. Let me have a little go. Well, not exactly the neatest, but I have managed to divide it up into little areas so that each piece would have a chit on it. So I now have to use some surgical precision to make these cuts exactly where I need them to be. Let me get on with that. Okay, so let's prepare myself. Now I'm ready. Phew! So that's that done. Let's have a look and see how I've cut it all up. Okay, so there we are. I've managed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 pieces of potato. Each one has a chit. There's one, there, and quite a strong looking chit there. So I have 7 pieces and I have this piece of potato left over. It doesn't appear to have any chits appearing, but I'm going to hang on because you never know. And what I'll do, I will let these pieces dry and form a skin or cure. And then that should take a couple of days, and then I'm going to pop them on into some compost and hopefully they'll start to shoot. Excellent. So it's a couple of days later, I'm back in the greenhouse with my pieces of potato, and as you can see they've formed a skin, they've dried out or cured, and they all have a chit on the top. And all I'm going to do is pop them into a pot of multi-purpose compost that's been sifted. There's a little dash of perlite in there, and I'm just going to pop them on the top like that, if you can see that there. He's going to sit there. I'm going to give him a light covering of the compost, very light, and there he is. He's just sitting in there just under the surface. And hopefully, in not too many days, we'll start to see him breaking the surface. And that chip will be growing on its way to making a huge potato or part of some potatoes that are going to give me a huge weight. We shall see. So I'm going to do the same with all of these. Pop them into the compost, set them aside. I will probably take these indoors just until they start to break through, and then weather dependent I'll probably bring them back out into the greenhouse because we are mid-March now. The frost date around here is the end of March, so I think in the greenhouse in a few days or so they should be perfectly okay in here and quite frost free. So that's me underway for the single seed potato challenge for 2025. Good luck to everyone that's taking part. Let's see what happens. So that's me started on the potato challenge. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up or consider clicking the subscribe button. Come along, join us, see what we get up to on the allotment, in the greenhouse and in the garden. Anyway, I'm Gang Gang. This is Gang Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod. And as ever, until next time, take care.